from your cable TV service. How are you doing today?
What'd you say your name was again?
My name is Danny. I am calling from your cable TV service. How are
Oh,
you doing today?
hi, Danny. I'm doing okay. What's going on?
Actually, sir, this is just an informative call to our all loyal customer to inform that we are going to change the main frequency modification in your area. So TV boxes you have right now, there are old variant and no more compatible to work.
Oh no.
Not so we are sending new.
What does
Sorry?
that what does that mean? That's a lot of big words. What does that mean?
Not so we are sending new highly upgraded receiver boxes at your place. Can you confirm how many working TVs do you have?
Are they highly upgraded or just slightly upgraded?
Highly upgraded.
Highly upgraded. How much extra do those cost? Are there extra
Yes.
highly upgraded as an option?
Yes, free of cost.
Oh, it's free of cost. So I can get extra highly upgraded. Is there like
Yes.
one? Is there one better than the highly upgraded? I mean, if we're doing this, we might as well get the best one. Are there better ones?
Yes.
Oh, okay. How do I get the better ones?
How many working TVs do you have?
Six.
You have six TVs and six receiver box, right?
Yes.
Okay, confirm me your first name.
Parvesh.
Parish.
Parvesh.
P-A-R-P-A-R
Parvesh, just like it sounds. Yeah.
P-A-R
Uh huh.
V-E-S-H, right?
Correct. Yeah.
And your last name?
Sethi. Sethi.
Sethi.
Uh huh.
S-E-T-H-I,
Yeah.
right?
It's an Indian name.
Okay.
Danny.
Indian name?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Danny. It's an Indian name, just like your name's Danny. Danny.
Are you mad?
I'm not mad. You're mad. You wasted what 3 minutes with me so far. You got to be mad because
Oh
it's
fuck.
what time is it over there? You're like what